Yes, for number 2.
Angle W.
Angle W is congruent to said angle E. Okay. At this table back here, can you tell me another one, please? Angle X is congruent to angle F. Okay. You guys up here? Give me another one. Y and G. Angle Y is congruent to angle G. Gentlemen back there, Richard or Mark Anthony, give me the sides, please. Give me one of them.
WX and
Good. WX is congruent to EF. Okay. Over here.
XY is congruent to GL.
Thank you. XY is congruent to FG. And give me another one over here. YW. Just a moment. YW.
Triangle YXW is equal to triangle GOP.
Good. YXW is congruent to triangle GFE. Beautiful. All right. So let's go down here. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to match up your angles and match up your sides. So I'm going to get my highlighters out here again. And I'm going to start here. So angle K is congruent to angle A. So I'm going to mark that on here. Angle K is congruent to angle A. Now if you don't want to use the highlighters, you can do the markings. So like we have one little curve, one little angle mark, and I'll show you on the next one too. Okay, so angle P is congruent to angle Y. Angle P is congruent to angle Y. And angle F. Angle M is congruent to angle C. All right. And now I'm going to go through and I'm going to do my sides. And last but not least, we have MK and CA. Okay, so first mark them up. Now you're going to go through and you are going to say what they are congruent to. So what line is KM congruent to? KM. What is it? CA. Angle Y. What is angle Y congruent to? P. Angle K. Angle ACY. Good. Angle KMP. Okay, triangle MPK. So follow it along. So if it's going MPK, then hold on. MPK CYA. No, not NWA. I should make one of the triangles like that. Just for you. My son loves NWA. Okay, M? Yes? Fabulous. Alright. Next page. Okay, so this time I'm going to do it without the highlighters because sometimes I don't have a highlighter. So I'm just going to use my pen and I'm going to mark it accordingly. First thing you want to do every single time is mark it up. So angle S is going to be congruent to angle B. So I'm going to go through here. Okay? See how they only have one arc? And then angle T is going to be congruent to angle F. So now I put 2 markings because I know those 2 are going to match up. And then angle W is going to match up with angle N. And then I go through and I have to do the sides as well. So line ST, I'm going to put 1 hash mark on there. Is going up with BF. TW is going to match up with FN. And last but not least, WS is going to match up with NB. Okay. So now I'm going to go through here and it says BS. So you know how I know the difference between putting the line that it's congruent to? This one has an equal sign. When it has an equal sign, that's talking about the actual measure of it, the length of it. When it has a congruent sign, that's when you're going to put the actual line, the name of the line. All right, so TW. I look at TW. Okay, TW over here has 2 hash marks. So I'm going to find the one that corresponds over here with 2 hash marks. And if this one is 14 centimeters, then TW is 14 centimeters. Good. All right, what about BF? What is the length of BF? Good, 17 centimeters. All right, now I'm going to look at my angles. So angle W has 3 arcs in it. So I'm going to come over here and find the one with 3 arcs. And so how many degrees is that? 82. So if this one's 82, then angle W has to be 82 degrees. Let's do it in true mathematical symbol fashion and make sure we have our degree symbol there as well. All right, angle B. Angle B has 1 arc. I'm going to match it up over here. So if angle B matches up with this one, how many degrees is angle B? 67 degrees. Okay. Angle F.
31.
How do you know it's 31? How do you know it's 31? It is, I agree. How do you know? And? Yes! Yes, there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So if I don't know the last one, but I know 2 of them, I can go 180 degrees minus 82 minus 67 is 31 degrees. I'm very happy that you saw that. Because there's some people that are like, oh, it doesn't show on there. So, even though we've gone over it a million times. Okay. Okay, so I want you to do number 5 on your own. Ready, go. Excellent. All right, where am I at here? Daniel, you ready yet? No, not yet? You ready? Sure. What do you get for measure of angle H? 38. And now for angle Z. Ladies? 71. Beautiful. And angle J. 71 degrees. Yes. What kind of triangle is that? Isosceles triangle. What do we know about isosceles triangle? The sides are congruent, which means the bottom angles are congruent. Sides congruent, angles are congruent. Okay? All right. Let's look at number 6. First thing again, you want to go ahead and do all of your markings. So, angle U is going to be congruent to angle T. Angle V is going to be congruent to angle S. Angle W is going to be congruent to angle R. This one, we have to solve for X, Y, and Z. So we need to figure out where my X is first. So if my X is right here, 12X minus 7, I need to find the corresponding part on the other triangle. If this one has 1 hash mark, I look for the one with 1 hash mark on here. I'm not there yet. So I get 53. So I'm going to set these equal to each other. 12x minus 7 is equal to 53, and then I will solve for it. Not yet. I will solve for it though. And then for y, I'm going to look on here, look here. Okay, so I have y here, and this one has 2 hash marks. So I'm going to go over here and look for my 2 hash marks, and I've got 57. So I'm going to set it up that way. So I got 5y minus 33 equals 57. Okay? And then I will solve for y. And the very last one I have is z. So same thing. I find z. It's got 3 hash marks. I line it up over here. That one's 50, so I set that equal to each other. 3z plus 14 is equal to 50. And then you solve accordingly. Ready, go.